Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix lag in episode 26 in PC. First of all, from the main menu, go to settings, game settings, then display configuration. Now if your game is running below 30 fps, lower all of your settings to low. You will lose some image quality, but it will make the game smoother. Now if your game is running above 60 fps, you can keep good graphics while improving performance, like turn vertical sync off, turn strand based hair off, as well as you can just set rendering quality to high or medium depending on your system. You can also set grass quality to medium, crowd quality to low, as well as you can set cloth quality to medium. This is up to you, like just adjust the settings depending on your system. Next, go to visual tab and here turn off extra visuals you don't need, such as playstyles overlays, overhead indicators, and the hypermotion inside overlays. After that, on Windows, search for game mode and make sure it is turned on. Finally, search for power plan. If you are on laptop, make sure it is set on high performance, and if you're using an AMD GPU, then in that case you need to go to game settings and find FC26, and just right there you need to enable Radeon anti-lag. And yeah, that's it. By following these steps, your game should now run smoother with high FPS and less lag. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.